So you want to know how to make this super fluffy and soft potato roll? Stay tuned on this video and I'll show you how. Have you seen? These rolls are super soft and super fluffy. They are very easy to make, and this dough is also super versatile. You can use it for different kinds of breads too, like dinner rolls, like burger, hot dog rolls, whatever you want. But today we will be making some rolls, potato rolls, because this is the main ingredient that we'll be using. Mashed potatoes. Today I'll be using my super dough mixer because it will be needing 4 kilos of dough. But here you have the formula for you to adapt to your necessities. Let's go with the flour. Now let's add the sugar, powdered milk, the main ingredient, mashed potatoes. Now salt, fresh yeast. If you don't have fresh yeast, remember you could use 1/3 using instant yeast. Turmeric for the color, eggs. And these are the last 2 ingredients. Water, which I'll be adding it as soon as I start the kneading in the machine, and then the butter. And I will add it a few minutes later, because if I add it from the beginning, it will make the kneading longer. So let's go with this. And now let's add the water. So we have all the ingredients already integrated. Now it's time to add the butter. Dough is ready. Let's take it out of the mixer. Wow, the dough is beautiful. Nice gluten development. Here we have 4 kilos of potato dough. So now we'll start stretching it as much as we can, but we don't want to break it apart. We need to stretch it like a sheet. At the beginning, the dough is a little bit tense because the gluten network is really strong, but sometime we'll be able to stretch it as much as we can. And now that it's a little bit stretched, let's go with this. Okay, dough stretched. I think we have some like 3 or 5 millimeters. It was done the artisan way. So now that it's shaped like a rectangle, I am ready to start rolling it. But if you wanted to make some potato cinnamon rolls or something like that, this is the moment to add all those ingredients here. So I'm done. But this is huge. Let's measure it. Ding! Wow! Whoa, 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 whoa! Wow! 1.5 meters. That's a lot. Measure done. Let's start cutting the rolls. Let's cut this in 2. Let's start slicing it. The measurement would be just like 2 fingers, which is almost 4 centimeters. And we needed to do it gently, not pressing that much, so we don't break the roll. Here we go with another one. A lot. I don't know how many, but we have a lot of rolls. The last one. Oof. So, wow, a lot. Here I have a tray for the oven, which measures 60 centimeters and 40 centimeters. Remember that we have 4 kilograms of dough. And I've painted with some olive oil so the rolls don't stick into it. When placing the rolls on the tray, try to leave some air between so when they grow, they stick up together. And I do the same thing on this side. And now let's fill the tray. And now immediately we paint all the rolls with this egg wash. And I've done it with equal parts of egg and milk. It is really important to do it at the beginning, as soon as we've placed all the rolls on the tray. This way we'll protect the rolls from drying and we don't need to cover them up. Okay, egg wash ready. And now I'll sprinkle some sesame seeds. So there's nothing else much to do. Just wait. We need the rolls to let them rise slowly and stick them all together. The idea is to see the whole tray full with rolls, and then will be the moment to bake them. So come and take a look to our rolls and see how much they have grown. Now we have the whole tray full of rolls. They're huge. So now it's time to bake them. I have my oven preheated at 250 degrees, and they will be there for around some 20 minutes. Let's do it. I'm here with you. Here are the rolls, already baked and almost cold. A little bit warm. And I love how fluffy they look like. Wow. Look how soft they look like, and this color, this yellow color, wow. Aren't they beautiful? It's like a pillow. Take a look at this piece of bread, and the crumbs, so fluffy, so soft. Ooh. I can imagine a lot of sandwiches that we could do with this thing. It's so humid. Oof. Let's try it. Oh, it's even so good just like this, alone. But imagine it with some mortadella, some prosciutto, maybe some pulled pork too. So please let me some comments. What do you think about this new recipe? If you have already done it, or if you want to do it, or what would you do with this kind of bread? Remember to share it, like it, and I'll see you on the next video.